So this is a contraption I built for fly cutting worm gear wheels. See, the blank is on an arbor, and then I have this rotary table, and then I built this indexer so I can cut multi-start wheels. And coming off the lead screw, which is synchronized to the spindle, I'm using timing belts and pulleys, and then I'm getting a ratio. This is just a tensioner, and then I'm going into this 1:10 reduction, and then I'm going in this 1:90 rotary table. And then I feed in about 2 to 3 thousandths a pass. And I just wait for it to make a revolution before I feed in. So I've just been feeding in on my mark. And then the fly bit is, I ground it out of an all carbide end mill.